Hello everybody, welcome back to Festa Slasher. This is a walk around my peg basher or my car. Basically, for people who don't know what a peg basher is, it's a car or a ute or any vehicle that goes on the road, like pretty much like a car, not like a tractor or a truck or a big semi-truck. Anyway, yeah, registered cars, that's unregistered cars that being used as farm vehicles. Well, some of them are used as a hobby, like, you know, drift vehicle and all that. So yes, this is a Holden Commodore VT Berliner, and yep, it used to have a few things. It used to have a bonnet protector here, but that's broke apart. Now, that's my name again. And this is a sign that my dad got me off-road. Yes, it really represents this car well. And also, yeah, I like how it looks with the rest of it. Like the black and white plates really match this. Really the best mix of this car very well. And we've got the rims, as you can see, Berliner, license plate on a Commodore, and we've got the exhaust. So yes, it's missing its middle muffler because it fell off, and yeah, it used to be loud, and then one day we had to put it back on because I have to use this to get to the school bus anyway. Let's get on the inside. Yes. Okay, so if you're American, you'll probably recognise this as a, whatever you call it, Pontiac GTO. This is essentially what this is, but it's not a V8, it's a V6. So this car has done 260,815 kilometres, so it's done a fair bit. Well, it hasn't done, well, that's probably not a lot to some people, but yeah. Now, this is the rear vision mirror. There's the GoPro, and there's part of my head. Mirror there, horn. See, it works. We've got headlights. What else have we got? Radio that doesn't work very well. And it's automatic, so this is your gear shifter there. Oh, it just moved. Oh. Okay, that's a reminder not to do that again. Got the power windows, which don't work. So yes, this is how some of these vehicles are. Like, there's so many of these Commodores around. Like, Holden have stopped manufacturing here. It'll be 2 years ago this year in October. Yeah, October. And yeah, these Commodores are used for lots of stuff. Paddock bashers, like they're used for a whole bunch of stuff. Even the Hoonigans use a lot of these. Well, they're a very bogan vehicle apparently, and I'm not one of those people, thank goodness. So yes, yep. Oh yeah, I've also got a trailer hitch here, because if I'll just walk over here, these other vehicles here, and they're not mine. They're part of the farm. Well, they technically are mine, but yeah, Dad has control over them. So yeah, this is a wood trailer. It used to go on the peg basher, but yeah, it had steering pump issues, and yeah, yep. So we're just towing. So yeah, it's good again. Just yeah, I haven't got the opportunity to use it much yet. I did use it on the 2nd September, which is a fair few weeks ago. It was last month. So yeah, while we're here, oh sorry if I'm blocking the way. This is the 4N5 Honda. Oh, I like the sound of this. But anyway, I won't go into much detail with them. So yeah, smash that like button if you have it, if you like this Commodore, or comment if you have a question about it. I'm Festa Slasher, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.